If you have to make a quick screencast, Loom is probably one of the top options that pops into your mind, right? And rightfully so. It's neat, it gets the job done, and it works exactly like a reliable screen recorder should. Plus, their AI features are great for what they are, giving you automatic summaries, meeting notes, and an AI autocomposer to draft your follow-up emails. But what happens when someone makes noise while you're recording, or a step in your tutorial doesn't go exactly as planned? What if you want to sound just a bit more confident, or even create that exact same screen recording in a completely different language so it actually resonates with a global audience? Loom can't help you there. Instead, you're stuck hitting restart and re-recording the entire thing from scratch. And on top of that, you quickly hit the ceiling of their free tier. You only get 25 videos at a capped 720p quality before Loom basically tells you, "It was nice seeing you. See you again when you pay me." That's exactly where Cadence shines. It lets you do everything you were already doing with Loom, but with a massive suite of features designed to make you sound incredibly confident, reach a highly diverse audience, and truly put a premium face to your ideas. Take the integrated voice cleaner. It automatically cuts out background noise, filler words, and awkward pauses. It basically eliminates the top reasons that make you want to scrap a video and re-record it. You get a flawless take the first time. Let's look at how it works. When you load your recording into the Cadence Pro editor, you have a powerhouse of audio tools on the left sidebar. If you want to refine a flat delivery into a highly confident, authoritative tone, you can use AI accent change. But here's where the two tools completely diverge. Loom's AI translates the text summary of your video. Cadence translates your actual voice. We click AI dubbing. The system automatically detects your original language. Then you just open the dropdown and choose from over 20 different target languages, whether your audience needs Spanish, French, Hindi, or Tamil. Hit that purple button and it processes seamlessly in the background. Cadence entirely maintains your distinct voice characteristics, your natural emotion, and your exact video timing. It sounds like you seamlessly speaking a brand new language. So here's the real difference. Loom is great if you just want to document data faster or pass a quick note to a teammate. But if you are creating client-facing walkthroughs, product pitches, or onboarding videos where you need to look premium, sound flawless, and scale your reach globally, you need Cadence. Stop letting a 25 video cap limit your business. Head over to usecadence.co and try it out for yourself. If you found this breakdown helpful, hit subscribe and we'll see you in the next video.